Good morning, y'all. I got up this morning and started editing videos. Editing my weekly vlog, which is late. It was supposed to be put out this Sunday, Sunday. But I was working, transitioning, continuing to move and all that. So, coming out on a Thursday, I guess. It is. Without further ado, let's get into the video, man. 6:28. And the flight is at 10:15. All right. So as you guys see. So I gotta get dressed. I haven't packed anything. Get that done. I need to get that done. So yeah, I'll see you in a second. Okay, I'm up. I'm gonna throw on these. Okay, I'm gonna throw these on. I love black as of recently. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this on as well. I think I'm gonna put this on too and see how that goes. And I guess we'll go with these shoes right here. And I guess we'll just keep it regular. I am going to just be carrying my laptop in this bag, and I guess have like a small change of clothes, and that's about it, man. It's only for literally a half a day, I guess. So I was able to change my flight. I was supposed to leave at 6, and instead I'm leaving at 10 because I do not want to be honestly on this trip at all, but we're gonna get it done.
Turn right.
Yes, sir. Finally, I finally get a time to sit and relax and talk to you guys for a second. So thank you for watching, number one. Number two, today was amazing. I was able to go to one of the most wealthy counties, the most wealthy county in the country. I went to Bar Taco. I sat down and ate. I was actually able to connect with a few people. I'm actually going after this video to a dinner that I was invited to. So like just a quick check-in. I am very content right now. Like, am I happy fully? Mentally, I'm okay. I'm not completely happy. I think that it's so hard for an entrepreneur to stay happy because you're always worrying about something and something is always falling apart. And that's the point of being an entrepreneur, right? Is like we like putting things together, and that's just the life we chose. I do want to harp on just a new direction that I'm going in, and I'm really excited. Is, if you guys don't know, I've been selling wholesale products for so long to you guys, and I would not be where I'm at without, all of you. And I know you may be like, what? All of us? It's only 20 people watching the video or 100 people. But it's like, it's beautiful how much reach I do have, and how much I built my Discord, I built my YouTube family, my Instagram family, and I'm just thankful and grateful. We are now going into a phase that I've never officially just jumped into fully, but I'm going into a business to business phase now. Like, if you guys heard of the product box, by the time you see this video, I'll be working to move to the space of mainly selling everything in a box. And what I mean by that is everything wholesale. My old websites were where you would have to buy by bulk, right? You could buy 6, 12, and etc. Now we're going to be actually going a more traditional business to business route, which is, if you want to buy chargers, I have a charger product box where we have 12 chargers, Type-C to Lightning, and 12 USB to Lightning for one set price. If you want speakers, if you want MagSafe chargers, all of them come in a box of 12. And I do this because I want you guys to make the most money, but also I want to treat you guys like the business that you guys are, right? And we still are going to have the product box, but the product box is now known as the vendor box because it's a box that makes you a legitimate vendor of electronics. And the first vendor box we have is going to be the electronic box, which is 42 wholesale products. But also check it out, man. We Supply, WESPLY, is my new, because I'm branching away from just cramming everything together. I'm branching away from selling things in not a uniform way. I'm working so much that I'm starting to see the real way to help and grow is to not only sell in bulk, but sell in an easier way, right? So if you're looking to make money selling headphones, I have a product box for you, a headphone product box, one set price. And most of these boxes come with 24 products and up. And I'm just so excited to be able to be working with you guys. T-Mobile, man, the corporate office was just amazing, you know, and it really is like this all the time where like either personal is going good or business is, but you can't never get both going just perfect, right? It's always something. And, you know, these vlogs, I want to be fully transparent with you guys. Like right now, I'm going through a separation, of course, and going through a transition of loving myself for who I am and learning how to just be content being alone before I'm jumping into anything with anybody, because I want to be able to love myself enough to not let anybody overstep boundaries, right? So I definitely want to continue to set that example and continue to just strive and be the best version of myself, right? So I'm excited, guys. Thank you so much for coming on the journey. I just wanted to give you guys an update and come with me for the rest of the day, and let's see what we get into. I'm in the T-Mobile corporate office. Oh, snap. What's up? I'm acting like I really slept. Like I ain't really sleep that much. I just didn't sleep. It was bad. I'm ready to go home. I was up all night buying stuff on Amazon. I honestly just can't with me. Like I just hate sleep. But I'm going to get dressed, hopefully network a little bit more. And I got a flight at 12:45, so I probably got to be at the airport about like 11:30. It's 7 something right now. No, it's 8 o'clock. All right, let me get dressed. Hey guys, I got back safely. The trip was really, really nice. It was definitely beneficial. And I wanted to bring you guys along. I couldn't bring you guys too in depth, obviously, for obvious reasons, especially when you are dealing with other companies. But I want to show you, I'm just a kid from Philadelphia that continues to strive to be better than I was yesterday, and that's the only reason why I take the opportunities I have, right? Notice I said it, take, not give, or take, not given, or ask. I don't ask, I earn. And I want you guys to always believe in yourself. As the weeks progress and the vlogs continue, hopefully we see consistent improvement and more opportunities, better products, better vacations. So yeah, I really appreciate everybody that's watched to this point. Please drop a like. Please subscribe and tune in for show. I'll see you guys next week.